Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to make this super easy peach pie filling. So let's get started. So you will need 1 pound of peach. I'm using the yellow peaches here. I have it peeled and diced. You can also use white peaches if that's what you want, but the yellow peaches actually give a nicer color when it's cooked, so it's brighter. And then we have here just 2 tablespoons of water and sugar. I also have here a little bit of lemon, about a tablespoon. I like the acidity of the lemon and the way that it balances the sweetness of the peach pie filling. But if you don't like the lemon taste, you can just remove it. And then I have here a cornstarch. So cornstarch will help the sauce thickens a bit, and that's very important because you don't want a runny peach pie filling unless that's what you want. So you can just probably remove it, or if you want it thicker, you can just add more. And we have here just pinch of salt just to balance the sweetness, and then just give it a quick stir just to distribute the sugar, but eventually it will melt when we cook it. So we're just gonna cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes until the peaches are cooked through and the sauce has slightly thickened. So the sauce will still will get even thicker as it cools, so don't worry about that. So I'm just gonna cover this and then let it bring to like a simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Just don't cook it in really high heat because there's sugar here. We don't want to burn it. So 10 to 15 minutes, and after that I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, so we have been cooking this for 15 minutes now. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, the peaches are already cooked, and it looks like it's soft, right? And it's vibrant yellow because I used the yellow peaches. So very important tip here to remember: make sure to use a peach that's still it's ripe but still slightly firm. You don't want to buy something that's overripe because when you simmer it, it will be mushy, and we want to have like chunks of peaches in our peach pie filling. So just remember that. So, and another thing, the sauce will still thicken as it cools, so I really recommend that you wait for it to cool down before you use it so that you get a thicker consistency. So now if the only thing that you have are like overripe peaches, so make sure to just cook it less time. So has been cooking for 10 to 15 minutes because I use a ripe but still firm peaches. But if you're using an overripe peach, maybe you'll only need about 10 minutes. So just keep on checking the peach if it's already cooked, or and then that's about it. So let's just transfer this and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is our finished product now. So this is our peach pie filling. So we only cook this for 15 minutes and see how beautiful it is. It's still runny because it's hot, but then once it cools down, it will thicken. It's beautiful. You can use it for making your pie or making Danish, or for even as a toppings for ice cream. It's just amazing. Look at this. Look at how beautiful it is. Beautiful, right? Okay, thank you so much and see you again next time. Bye.